Hi, welcome to this section. In this section, we're going to talk about inheritance in Python. So, what is inheritance? Inheritance allows a class to inherit attributes and functions from another class. It is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming that allows a class, let's say a child class, to inherit attributes and functions from another class that could be a parent class. Okay, this is very useful method because this promotes code reusability and helps in building hierarchical relationship between classes. So you don't have to write down one function many times in different classes. You can have a parent class where you define your function, and you can have a child class that are inheriting from the main or base class, let's say, and they can access the attributes of the base class, they can access the functions of the base class. So we don't have to redefine these functions and attributes in the child class. Okay, so instead of writing the same code multiple times, we define common properties and behaviors in a parent class and let child classes inherit them. So in this section, we're going to dive deep into the inheritance concept in Python. Stay tuned.